With Minexa.ai, both developers and non-developers train once on a page in the browser, then reuse that scraper across thousands of similar pages for scraping restaurant directories easily. Navigate to your target page on eater.com. Whether it's dynamic or filtered, Minexa works directly on the live rendered page. Click the Minexa extension. It instantly prepares the page for extraction with just one click. Click the violet button, I'm on the right page, so Minexa can analyze the layout and detect the restaurant directory list automatically. Results across all pages will be collected because Minexa detects pagination and handles it automatically for you. Decide if the list data is enough or if you want to extract more details hidden in each row before continuing. Click Continue if the data is already visible, or switch to Advanced mode if you need to trigger additional actions on the page first. Confirm and proceed. Minexa has highlighted the detected HTML container, and your scraper will be ready after this step. All fields are ready to use. If a value is missing on a page, Minexa returns blank to keep your dataset clean and accurate for Seattle restaurant listings. Developers can click the API request button to get ready to run Python code with scraper ID and request payload pre-filled. Validate and complete the configuration by clicking Complete Configuration to save your scraper and make it ready to run. Multi-page coverage is confirmed. Minexa automatically follows every page of results on each run. No extra setup needed. If you want results pushed to Google Sheets, connect it here before creating the job to streamline your workflow. Press Run to start the scraping job. Results return as structured rows with consistent columns discovered during training. What you see here spans multiple pages, but every row looks the same. Column names never change because they were set once during training and reused across every page. This dataset includes restaurant names, addresses, ratings, cuisine types, and contact info. You can drop this straight into a database, data pipeline, or spreadsheet for analysis or reporting. Click Export to download your data. Excel and JSON files both keep the same column structure, ensuring compatibility across different tools. One system handles crawling, rendering, and extraction, so you never need to assemble or maintain separate tools again with Minexa.ai.